In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable picture-in-picture on iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now, and we're going to turn on this feature so you can keep watching videos or using FaceTime while doing something else at the same time. So first I'm going to open the Settings app, the grey gear icon. Once I'm inside Settings, I'm going to tap on General. This is where Apple keeps a lot of system-wide features and display behaviors. Now I'm inside General, and I'm going to scroll down slowly until I find Picture-in-Picture. This setting controls whether videos and calls can shrink into a small floating window while you use other apps. Alright, I see it, so I'm tapping on Picture in Picture. Now I'm inside the Picture in Picture settings screen, and there's a main toggle here that says Start PIP automatically. At this point I'm turning that switch on. Once it's enabled, your iPhone will automatically switch supported videos into a small floating window whenever you leave the app or swipe home. I like to pause here because this is where the experience really changes. When this feature is off, videos stop when you exit an app. But when it's on, the video continues playing in a small, movable window so you can still watch while replying to messages, browsing Safari, or using other apps. Now I'm going to test it quickly. I open a supported app like Safari or a video player, start playing a video, and then I swipe up to go home. If everything is working correctly, the video should shrink into a small floating box on the screen. You can move this window around by dragging it, and you can even resize it slightly depending on your iPhone model and app support. If you want to close it, you can simply swipe it off the screen or tap the close button. One thing to keep in mind is that not all apps support picture-in-picture, but most Apple apps and many popular video apps do, so it works in a lot of everyday situations. And that's it! You opened Settings, went into General, found Picture-in-Picture, and turned on Start PIP automatically. Now your iPhone is set up to let videos float while you multitask smoothly.